Welcome everyone to JEE NEET Akash videos, and I am Niloy. Today I will be discussing about the linear inequations in one variable. The main thing is that in reference book the problem of linear inequation is solved in an elaborate way which is not helpful for the competitive exams. So I will be discussing about some shortcut tips to solve such problem. For that we have to conclude some important points. These are, first thing is the sign before x should be positive, that is the function should be of the form x plus 3 by x plus 2 or x minus 3 x plus 5. And if such types of problem is given where the sign before x is negative, we have to initially convert it of the form this. And what we need to do is that let us assume a problem such that this greater than 0. Then we have to convert this as or the negative sign should be replaced, and as a result the inequality sign is changed. So we have to convert in this form if such types of problem is given. Now let us consider a problem. If such types of problem is given like that, x plus 4 plus x plus 6 greater than 1, what we need to do is that first of all we have to form the equation greater than 2, or we have to form such types of equation, or here we will get or minus x minus 8 by x plus 6 greater than 0. Now here the sign before x is negative, so we have to convert it into positive. So what we need to do is that we have to take x minus s common, and the equation is this type. So what we need to do is that the sign before both the x should be positive, and here our requirement is fulfilled. Here you can see that I have followed a number of operations to get this thing, and finally I will get this. The main purpose is to get the equation in such a form. Now the important thing is to solve this. Now in the book it is seen that they are solving the problem with case 1 is that this is negative, that means the upper part is positive or this is negative, or another case is that we have to consider this as negative or this as positive. This is the process which is done in our books, but I will tell you about some shortcuts. And in the shortcut we have to consider the numerator as 0 and the denominator as 0. What we will get, x equal to minus 8 or x equal to minus 6. Now what we will get is that if we consider this as a number line, this is minus infinity, this is plus infinity, and we have to plot this point, this is minus 8, this is minus 6. We have to draw these types of curve in every problem, and in the upper part we will always get positive, and in the lower part it is always negative. Now you can see the function is negative, that is this region is included. Now therefore x belongs to -8 to -6. This is the required solution. Now suppose if the final equation comes like this, what we need to do is that similarly we have to plot the point -8, -6, minus infinity, infinity. Here we need to consider one point, and the point is that though this is negative but it's equal, so here what this part, the denominator can never be equal to 0. If it is 0, we will get an undefined function, so the point -6 isn't included. Therefore x belongs to -8 to -6, that is the denominator can never be equal to 0, so -6 cannot be included. Now similarly we take the problem but we change the sign. What we will get is that this is -8, -6, infinity, minus infinity. Here the function is positive, so the reason should be this. X belongs to minus infinity to -8. But similarly, this is denominator can never be 0, so 6 is not included. So -6 to infinity. Here I have done a mistake. This is -8 is included as the function is greater than equal to. So the resultant answer is x belongs to -infinity to -8 closed interval union -6 to infinity open interval. These are the way the problem is. Now consider the mod function. Know the definition of mod. Mod x equal to x when x greater than equal to 0 and equal to -x when x less than 0. This is the most important definition of mod x. You have to remember this. And let us assume if such function is given, this implies minus a greater than equal to x than equal to a. If it is given mod x less than a, then this implies minus a less than x less than a. If less than equals, then these are the function which will form. Now if it is given that mod x greater than equal to a, this implies x greater than equal to a or x less than equal to minus a. And based on these formulas, or you can say the equation, we will solve such problem with some shortcut tricks in the next lesson. If you find our videos useful, please like and subscribe our channel, and also do not forget to recommend to others if you find it would be beneficial to them. Thank you.